Hi, and welcome to our training video for the new reports feature of the Provincial Research Ethics Platform. This video is for research ethics administrators of a research ethics board in the PREP platform. The video will demonstrate how to find the reports, how to set the parameters and run a report, and the general information contained within each of the report types. We will also discuss some of the nuances and some tips for reports. First, how to find the reports. From your homepage in the platform, there will now be a Reports tab along the top, next to Studies and ICR Rates. Click on the Reports tab. Now click REB. There will be 3 report options available. All active studies. This report includes all currently open and approved applications for your REB, either as Board of Record or included as another REB in the harmonized review process. All expired studies. This will include all currently expired or lapsed applications for your REB, again, either as Board of Record or as another REB. All PAAs. This includes all of the post-approval activities, renewals, acknowledgements, and amendments for your REB, either as Board of Record or as another REB. To generate a report, click on the report title. The report will open up in a pop-up window. The pop-up window may take a while to generate, particularly for all active studies, since this is a large number of studies compared to the other report types. The pop-up window will show a preview of the report. At the bottom of the pop-up window will be a total number of the applications listed in the report. Again, this is all currently open and active applications that you are involved in, either as a Board of Record or involved in as another REB in the harmonized review process. Scrolling through, the reports are structured very similarly to the custom PREP reports that you used to receive from Research Ethics BC, or if you ever requested a report from the RISE team. For all active studies, we have the REB number, the Board of Record, the type of study, the date approved, the submission date, the project state, if the application is harmonized, if there's a partner board, how many of the partner boards, the boards involved, whether the study received a full board review, the types of funding, if there are Health Canada regulatory approvals required, or if it's a clinical trial. To sort this information into reports for your REB or institution, you can export the report in multiple formats, the easiest of which is Microsoft Excel. So if I open this in Excel and I turn it into a table, I can sort the REB numbers and make them descending instead. I can sort the Board of Record so that it only shows me my REB. Let's pretend I'm BCAT, or I can clear this filter and go back to the full view. I can also look and see for applications that I'm involved in as another REB listed in the harmonized review process. So again, I could just do this for BCIT, so I'll do contains BCIT. And those are just some of the ways that you can sort this Excel. If you ever need help manipulating reports, please reach out to us at Research Ethics BC. One final note again about this report is that this report includes all currently open and approved application for your REB as Board of Record or included as another REB. The other 2 reports, all expired studies and all PAAs, have parameters that need to be set before running the report. We'll walk through those now. First, all expired studies. Let's click on the report title. For this report, we can specify if we want to see all boards or a specific REB. So I can do all boards or a specific REB. If we select all boards, we will see all expired studies where we are listed as the Board of Record or the other board. To see expired studies where we are the Board of Record, we will select our REB. So for example, I will select Fraser Health. We recommend selecting your own REB because those are the expired applications that you can manage as Board of Record. We can't send expiry notifications or close studies that we're not Board of Record for. As Fraser Health, I could select Interior Health, and this would show me all studies where Interior Health is the board of record and Fraser Health is listed as another REB. Clicking on another board will not show you all of the studies for that REB. Let's run a sample of this report. So we have a very similar report. We have REB number, board of record, type of study, date approved, submission date, date entered state, expiration date, project state, if it's a harmonized application, the partner boards, and then the partner boards involved. I can see the total number of applications, and I can again export this to Excel, although there isn't much to sort in the example of this study. Let's close it. Now let's check out the All PAAs report. Let's click on the report title. Here we can specify the boards, as well as the PAA approval year and the PAA approval month. Selecting the month and year will capture PAAs approved within a certain time frame. So I can select 2022, and I can select all months in 2022, or I can narrow it down to just April. I'll do all. Selecting a board will work very similarly to the expired studies report. If we select all boards, we'll see all PAA applications where we are the board of record or another REB. To see PAA applications where we are the board of record, we will select our REB. Again, we can use the example of Fraser Health. To see PAA applications where someone else is the board of record and we are listed as another REB, we can select that REB. So for example, Interior Health. We would only see applications where Interior Health is the board of record and Fraser Health is listed as another REB. Again, to be clear, the reports will only ever list applications where your REB is included. View report. Great. So the report has loaded. Again, we have REB number, board of record, type of study, date approved, submission date, date entered state, expiration date, the project state, if the application is harmonized, how many partner boards, the partner boards involved. It'll also give us the specific PAA number for the application, as well as the date that the PAA was approved. This report will also break down the PAA that was submitted, so an annual renewal, amendment, or acknowledgement. There may be multiple PAAs per study. For example, if a research team submits multiple PAAs within the parameters of ESET, such as a renewal and then an amendment, each PAA application will appear in the report with their specific PAA number, but the numbers may duplicate on this side. Again, we can export this report for easy sorting into Excel. Turn this guy into a table. And just for example, maybe I'll want to see all PAAs or just the annual renewals that our board's been involved in. And then maybe I only want to see annual renewals where we're the board of record. Great. That's already set up because I selected our board. Again, if you have any questions about reports, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at REBC. So that brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for joining us, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at Research Ethics BC.